Hello beauties, welcome again to Women Hairstyles. If you really want that stunning short hairstyles that are great for really spicing up your standard black haircut, I just want you guys to see this haircut for beautiful black women, because it's that hairstyle that is just a way for you to stand out and express yourself. You know, one thing with these styles is that if you really want to appear or stand out in a crowd, this is the perfect go-to for natural women, because it's perfect for an everyday hairdo. And you can see how the style looks so beautiful, and it's one of the inspiring short haircuts that are really making waves as long as short hairstyles are concerned. One thing about the skirt is that you can see how it's that haircut that really add life to your hair. And one thing with the style is one of the favorite short haircuts that beautiful women are really trying this season. You know, it's an hottest short natural haircut for beautiful women with short hairstyles, because it will definitely take many years off your age, and it's that kind of style that will always accentuate your face shape and enhance your hair texture. So this haircut, you can see, is that hairstyle that will really take your haircut to the next level, because it's a beautiful way to show off your curly hair's natural texture. And you can see how the haircut will definitely not take much time in front of the mirror. Is that wash and go hairstyle that can be rocked for office or any kind of occasion. One thing about the style is that it's trending and is a low maintenance short natural haircut that is perfect for beautiful black women with short hair. They can see how the cut really features that kind of close cut with a longer length on top, always creating those bold and edgy look you really wanted. I just want you guys to watch this video to the end. Let me know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate everyone. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.